Hello dear friends! Today we make a nice pork. As I say, it's superfood pork. The reason is because I add inside this mix of dry fruits. This mix has papaya, citrus, melon and mango. We stuff with some Greek typical Graviera cheese, mushrooms, and in the end we'll make a nice mustard sauce. Let's start together step by step. We take a nice piece of pork. This is from the belly part of pork. Salt, pepper, and we add the dry fruit, the mushrooms and the Graviera. We take a piece of string and we tie the pork belly. Our pork is ready. We will take it in the oven, 180 degrees, at least 2 and 3 hours. We will cover it with alumil foil. We take this pan and we take it in the oven. Meanwhile, let's make the mustard sauce. Very easy recipe. We turn on the fire. We add the cream. All the ingredients together. Cream, yogurt, mustard, and coriander. After 2 minutes of boiling, we add the corn flour, salt and pepper, and it's ready. Our sauce is amazing. It's delicious. When our pork is ready, we cut in slices We'll put a little bit of the sauce and we try.